Hello friends, myself Amar. Now in this video I will discuss about event modifiers. Now what I have done in the previous video is that I have created a text field, and whenever I will type something on the text field, means whenever the key will be pressed, at that time this display function was called, and this display function was printing this key pressed in the alert box. Let me show you the output once again. Once I press any key here, then you can see the alert box is generated. Now what I want is that this alert box will be generated whenever I will press enter or whenever I will press space on the text field. So with this key up, what I want is that this box will be generated whenever I will press enter. So I need to use the enter modifier. Now let me save this, let me refresh the page, and let me type here. Now you can see here, as I start typing, nothing is happening, but once I press enter, at that time see the alert box is generating. This is how we can use this enter modifier. Okay, now similarly let me create a button here. Let me create a button here and let it be button, and this obviously this type will not be there, v-on, and this will not be key up. Let me change it to click. Okay, let me remove this enter modifier and let me call the same function, that is the display. Now let me refresh the page. Sorry, I have forgotten to give the button caption. Let me give the button caption as click. Okay, let me close this button tag here. Let me save, refresh the page. Now click here, then you can see this alert box is generated. Okay, click here, this box is generated. Now what I want is that whenever I will click on this button, this box will be generated for only once. Means for the first time this alert message will be generated. Second time onwards this alert message should not be generated whenever I will click on the button. And to do that, here we can use a modifier which is called as once. Okay, now let me save this. Let me refresh the page, click here, then you can see this message is generated, key pressed. Now click once again, now see nothing is happening. Okay, this is how we can use this modifier, once modifier, enter modifier. Now you can find the list of all these modifiers from this VueJS site. The link you can find in the description of my video. Here you can find the entire list of the modifiers. Here, if you can remember, I have discussed about this enter. Okay, you can use all these modifiers here, and the link you can find in the description of my video. Okay, I hope you have liked my video. If you have liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.